I built an AI calculator website. It took me 23 minutes. It works perfectly. Want to know how much money it made? 0.00. If you've watched any Make Money with AI video in the last 6 months, you've seen this promise. Build a simple utility website, a calculator, a converter, a date checker, slap Google AdSense on it, rank on Google, and watch the passive income roll in while you sleep. They show you screenshots of sites doing 40 million views. They give you the exact ChatGPT prompt. They make it sound like free money. But here's what nobody is showing you. Google killed this business model, and the people still pushing it, they're not making money from the websites, they're making money from you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why AI utility sites are dead in 2026, what happened to the traffic, and, more importantly, what you should build instead if you actually want to help people and maybe make some money. No affiliate links, no course pitch, just the truth. Let's go. Let me show you exactly what I mean. The hype. Build a calculator with AI. Upload it for free. Rank no one on Google for age calculator or mortgage calculator. Get millions of visitors. Slap AdSense on it. Make $5,000 to $10,000 a month passively. Here's the thing. That business model worked in 2022, maybe even early 2023. The truth. In mid-2026, Google answers the query directly on the search page before anyone clicks a website. Organic traffic to utility sites has collapsed. And if you build one of these today, you are building a museum piece. And I'm not just guessing. I deployed it, and I'm going to show you the real numbers. But first, let me show you why the gurus are still pushing this. Full transparency, I don't know how to code. I'm not a developer. I don't know what HTML or JSON stands for. But that's exactly the point, because the gurus say you don't need to code either. So I put that to the test. GPT gave me the complete code in under a minute. I copied it. I pasted it into Replit, which is free, no credit card, no domain, no hosting fees. I clicked run. And just like that, I had a live website, working perfectly, mobile-friendly, professional looking. The build? Free. The deployment? Free. The time? 23 minutes. The gurus are right about one thing. Building the site is stupidly easy. But here's the part they skip. Watch this. I type age calculator into Google. Google answered the question before I even finished typing. Why would anyone click a website? But it gets worse. Google Trends shows search interest for generic calculators is flat. But more importantly, Google itself is eating the clicks. One viewer put it perfectly. The sites used as proof, the interest calculator, the date calculator doing 40M views, built those traffic numbers before Google AI overviews existed at scale. AI overviews now appear in 13 to 35% of all searches, and organic CTR on affected queries dropped 61% between 2024 and 2025. 61%. Gone. And that's for established sites. For a brand new site launched in 2026, you don't have a traffic problem. You have a traffic impossibility. So if the sites don't make money, why is every YouTuber and their cousin pushing this? Look at the description. Hostinger affiliate link, AI course link, Notion template link. Another viewer nailed it. Influencers use Hostinger to manipulate people in the name of money-making websites. They're not making money from the calculator site. They're making money from you building the calculator site, the hosting affiliate commission, the course sale, the template sale. That's the bait. And this viewer said what I've been thinking. People give the hype without the actual real information needed. Like how much money you need to spend to get enough traffic to make real money. The real business model isn't AdSense. It's selling shovels to gold miners in a mine that collapsed 3 years ago. But let's say you ignore me. Let's say you actually try to do this properly. What does it really cost? Domain, $12 a year. Hosting, $50 to $100 a year. AI tool subscription, $20 a month. SEO tools, $30 a month. Time to build and optimize, 30 to 40 hours. Time to wait for Google to maybe rank you, 6 to 12 months. Total year one cost, $500 to $1,500 plus 100 plus hours of your life. Realistic year one revenue from AdSense on a new utility site in 2026 to $20. But here's the part they never mention. Before you make a single dollar from ads, you need to get approved by Google AdSense. And Google doesn't approve just any site. They want original content, enough pages, decent traffic history, and compliance with their policy. A 5-page calculator site with AI-generated text? Good luck. Even if you somehow get approved, traffic is the real challenge. AdSense earnings depend almost entirely on substantial, consistent traffic. Most new websites get very little traffic initially. We're talking $0 to $5 per month for months, maybe longer. Building that traffic requires SEO optimization, content marketing, social media promotion, backlinks, or paid advertising, which just adds to your costs and time. That's not a business. That's a hobby that costs you money. You realize basic mortgage and age calculators aren't ranking on Google. That's when the gurus hit you with level 2 of the funnel, the AI trend scraper. They sell you a $17 software with a sneaky $47 a month upsell, claiming it's a secret radar that finds products people are desperately trying to buy right now, allowing you to prompt an AI PDF book and cash in. I bought it. I tested it. And here is the brutal reality they don't show you on their sales page. The blue ocean is actually a crowded puddle. When a software tool tells you a niche is untapped, it just handed that exact same keyword list to the other 5,000 people who bought the software that morning. It isn't a secret trend. It's an automated assembly line of people making the exact same 10-page AI pamphlet. Even worse, you take that trend, prompt your ebook or PDF, and upload it to Amazon or Etsy. You aren't fighting human competition anymore. You are hitting a digital brick wall. Platforms are actively crushing automated, unedited AI info products with algorithmic filters because they are drowning in digital spam. Finding a trend via a scraper doesn't give you traffic, and it certainly doesn't give you buyer intent. People don't whip out their credit cards to buy an AI rewritten essay they can get for free on a Reddit thread. You aren't building a business with these tools. You are just paying a monthly subscription fee to be an unpaid data entry clerk for a software creator's affiliate funnel. So if public consumer wrappers, automated PDF generators, and $17 trend scrapers are a dead end, does that mean AI is useless for making money? No. It means you are playing the wrong game. Okay, so utility sites for AdSense are dead. The gurus are selling you a 2021 business model in 2026, but I'm not here to just destroy dreams. I'm here to redirect them. The people who are still winning with simple websites in 2026 aren't chasing AdSense pennies from random Google searchers. They're building tools that solve specific problems for specific people. Option 1, niche B2B calculators. Instead of age calculator, build HVAC load calculator for residential contractors. Instead of mortgage calculator, build dental practice equipment ROI calculator. These won't get 40 million views. They might get 100 visitors a month, but those 100 visitors are business owners with money to spend. You monetize with B2B affiliate links, software, tools, services, not AdSense. Here is what actually works in 2026. Hyper-localized data scraping. Don't publish generic AI PDF books based on AI Trend Finder. Build a private, custom script that crawls local municipal permit filings or zoning changes and formats that data into a clean morning digest for a local real estate developer who will gladly pay $200 a month for it. That's solving a friction point. Option 2, lead magnet tools. Build a free tool that captures emails, a free assessment, a free estimator. The tool is free. The value is in the back end, consulting, courses, services. Option 3, the honest tool. And here's what I'm actually building next. Because I got tired of seeing people waste time on the wrong things, I'm building an AI side hustle profit calculator. Not a generic calculator. A real tool that helps you figure out what side hustle actually makes sense for your situation. You input your experience level, hours per week you can dedicate, your starting budget, your location, and the niche you're considering. And it outputs realistic month-by-month earning projections for months 1 through 12. How saturated that niche actually is, the real effort required, your probability of success, and specific recommendations based on your inputs. No fluff. No you can make $10K in 30 days nonsense. Just honest math. Because the problem isn't that people are lazy. The problem is that people are picking the wrong hustle for their situation based on a guru's one-size-fits-all hype. Let me be honest about something. I don't know if this calculator will get 100,000 views. I don't know if it'll make me rich. That's not why I'm building it. I'm building it because I wish someone had built it for me when I was starting out. A tool that says, hey, based on your 5 hours a week and zero budget, maybe don't start an AI agency. Maybe start with affiliate marketing in a niche you actually know. That's the kind of tool that matters in 2026. Not another mortgage calculator fighting Google for scrap, but something that actually helps a real person make a real decision. Show you the entire process, deploy it for free, and give it away. No affiliate links, no course upsell, just a tool that tells the truth. If this video saved you from spending $200 and 40 hours building a digital graveyard, hit that like button. And if you want to see me build that AI side hustle profit calculator from scratch, deploying it for free and giving you the live link to use it yourself, subscribe and turn on notifications. If you are tired of paying gurus to hand you a map that leads straight to a dead end, hit that subscribe button right now. Every single week, we pull back the curtain on the AI hype, test the garbage so you don't have to waste your cash, and focus strictly on what actually puts money in your pocket. Send them this video. Somebody needs to tell the truth. WealthWeave AI. See you in the next one. And if you haven't seen my video on why AI children's books are dead, watch it now. Same energy, same honesty, zero grift.
WealthWeave AI. Hit subscribe for weekly income strategies.